Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve a simple interest problem. John invested $1,200 in an account that earns simple interest of 2% per month. After 8 months, what will be the total amount withdrawn? First, we need to use the interest formula, which is interest equals principal times rate times time. And the total amount is equal to the interest plus the principal. So, applying this formula, the interest amount equals $1,200, which is the principal, multiplied by 0.02, and then multiplied by 8 years, which is the time period. So let's start here with the first multiplication. Let's work it out. 1,200 times 0.02, calculated. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. How many decimal places are there here after the comma? 1, 2. So you move the decimal point in the result 2 places. 1, 2. So this part gets dropped, right? Zeros after the decimal point don't count, so it's equal to 24. So now we have interest, which is equal to, yes, that's right, 24 times 8. Let's work it out here. 24 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32, carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16. And 3, 19. So, interest equals 192. We've already figured out the amount of interest here. But the question is, what is the total amount withdrawn? To find the total amount, we need to figure out the total sum. And the total sum is the interest plus the principal, which means interest plus principal. The interest is 192 and the principal is 1,200. So here, 1,200 plus 192. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 9 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3, and the 1 stays the same. So, the total sum is 1,392. This is the total amount redeemed after 8 months at a rate of 2% per month. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.